Okay, this is going to be a short little video. Last week, I did a video on how to use up the paper from your old calendars. We usually, hopefully, pick calendars that we like, and I liked this one really well. And I took out all the monthly dividers. When I did, I ended up with all this two-sided paper. Some had words on it. The backs are just beautiful. And then the others are just floral, front and back. They're too pretty to throw away. Very nice paper. And so I got to piddling. I didn't film anything. I didn't turn anything on because I was trying to create some cards. And I have a ton of these tiny little envelopes, about the smallest card you can buy. And I need to use them up, so I needed to design some things. And this is some of the paper that I used. And last week I made, using the back, no, not using the back, but using one of these calendar cards like this. Is one of those pages is this. And it kind of determined, I thought this would look great with a lemon on it. So this little lemon card came out of this. I consider it free paper because I bought it as a calendar and I end up with art paper. So I love this card. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to make more. So I got my tiny little envelopes out. This is a page from the calendar. And I used a stamp. I had trouble kind of designing this. I just fought with it for some odd reason. Ended up putting it with a little border. I stamped the smile, drew on the sun, and then I had these little scraps left over like this. And so what will also go with it is this tiny little bookmark, which I think is just a cute little addition. You just fold that back, stick it in there, and then they got the surprise when they open that card. So all the little scraps I was playing around with, and this is just washi tape on the top. Just wrap it around, punch a hole in, and I'm trying to decide whether I like it or not. This is the green and the yellow washi tape tops, and then I'll put a ribbon on the tops. I think I'll probably just ask my husband if he even likes the washi tape. I almost like it plain better. So I'm going to think about it. I'll come back and look at those and decide later. But like, here's another one. I just drew it up and I'll put it in a card that at least fits this particular theme. So then I've got another, out of that one calendar page, I got two of these, which gave me two card backs. And I fought and fought with what to put on here. I didn't really want another smile. I wasn't sure. I don't know. Just kind of finicky. And then I painted that to put on there. Did watercolor that. Looks so blah. I mean, I don't even see it. And I tried a pink background like the other card. I think it's cute, but it doesn't pop. So I'm going to try the blue. I like that better. It pops, but it's not huge pop because this is kind of a quiet little card anyway. So let's put this together and we'll end up with yet another card from all this paper from the calendar.